Today I'm doing grilled garlic shrimp po' boys. Stay tuned. The grill I'm using today is the Pits and Spits adjustable flat top grill. And I'm just waiting on the charcoal to get ready. Then we're going to fill this rack up. And if you'll notice, I have my height adjusted on the 3rd notch down. But we'll see what it does. If that's too close, I'll just drop it down, or vice versa. Only going to use about half this fire grate. That's all we really need. Slide our grates off. All right, the first thing I want to do is make some garlic butter. So we're going on with a pan. I don't want to put it over this real intense heat. Just put it all to the side. There is some charcoal right up under it. Go in with 1 stick of butter. Let's let that melt in. Now while I'm letting that melt, I'm going to show you the next ingredients that goes in that, really the only ingredients. That is 4 cloves, and it's a lot of garlic if you look up underneath the bottom there. That's 4 large cloves, or you can use 8 small cloves, and use the real stuff. Get fresh garlic. Don't use that jarred stuff. Don't use garlic powder. Use fresh garlic, and that's roughly tablespoon to tablespoon and a half of parsley. Doesn't have to be exact. Just as soon as we get this melted, I'm going to go ahead and add this in, stir it in well, and let that simmer for just a few minutes for all that garlic to release all them oils and flavors. It's going to make it good. All right, that butter is all melted. Not really simmering yet, but I'm going to go ahead and put this garlic and parsley in there. Try to get it all in the pot. Like I said, I'm just going to leave that on there long enough to release all the oils and flavors from not only the garlic but also the parsley. Then we're going to slide it over here off of direct heat. It's time to go on with the shrimp. Now these are fresh Gulf shrimp. Earlier I deveined them, then I peeled them, headed them, and got them on skewers. Actually my wife helped me out and put them on the skewers. And we're just going to lay these right across here. That grill is hot. Now I want to take some of this butter sauce. Let's just set it here for now. Give it a good stir. Want to take and brush on this garlic butter. You are going to get flare-ups because of that butter. Just try to get you some garlic in there. Give them good flavor. Now I've got some blackening seasoning going on. Not much. I want that garlic and that parsley to pop more than anything. Just a little dusting there. And if you're wondering what I'm using Knee Deep Blends Grist Grist Blackening Seasoning. All right, so I have flipped these over. All right, we're gonna let that calm down a little bit. I want to use all this garlic and all this butter. Got a little bit left, not much. And we're gonna use it on the back side. All right, that is all of our butter, all of our garlic. These ought to have some outstanding flavor. Let's take a look. Yeah, we're starting to get a little toast there. Maybe just a tad more. Just a touch. So if you're wondering what a po' boy is, if you've never heard of that, just think of submarine sandwich or a hoagie. It's something similar to that, but straight out of New Orleans, Louisiana. That's what they name it. Now I made a sauce. And this is a combination. I will have in the description box the amounts that I used, but this is mayo. I use Duke's mayo. I use Louisiana Hot Sauce. I use some of that same Knee Deep Blends blackening seasoning and a little squirt of lemon or two, about a half a lemon, the juice of. We just want to put this on the bottom, and we want to put it on the top. You could be generous with it too. Today is one of the first days I felt like grilling in a while. It's actually not as hot as what it's been. I just got some shredded lettuce here that I bought, already shredded. I got some thin cut tomatoes that I did cut. Good looking tomatoes. Go with about 3 on here. Beautiful. A lot of times I will salt and pepper my tomatoes and lettuce, but guess what? We're just going to put a little bit of that blackening seasoning, not much. Now the last ingredient, you guessed it, that would be the actual shrimp itself. Take and lay our shrimp in here. I'm going to go ahead and make this other one. One of these is for me, one's for my wife. And it looks like we're going to have a few leftover shrimp. About 6 shrimp to a po' boy, and that's about right. Look at that, that's beautiful. Let's give her a cap. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and build the other one off camera, and I'll bring you back and we'll do a taste. Well, my wife done took off with hers, and she's in there eating. Let's give it a taste, see what we think. I already know. That is the best bread. Oh my goodness. Fantastic. I love a good shrimp po' boy. Normally I get fried shrimp po' boys. This is grilled. Fantastic. Hope you give this one a try. I gotta eat this thing, so I'm gonna cut it short. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm Russ Jones with Smoky Ribs Barbecue. Thanks for watching.